Isa lang po yung hinalikan ko dyan.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice.
Ano po? Ay, pahuli!
Wala pa!
Bading! Ang bato! Darna! Why? Big lang din ako, pero baka andyan ako sa tabi mo.
Ala, sino na? Ba't tumabot tayo sa gas? Malamig yung kamay mo.
Oo nga, parang kinakabahan ako!
Yung bride o yung groom, tas chinito yung pinapatugtog.
Isa lang po yung hinalikan ko dyan. Ay,
Haranahin kita, saan tayo mapunta?
eye color is changing. Yung eye color nag-iiba.
Hindi ikaw ang aabot dito. Feeling mo, sino man...
Ito si Sheena o si Ate Colette.
Tingin mo, Mika, sino may iiwan dyan?
Ako!
Oh, at sino may iiwan dyan?
Maanghang. Dalawa.
Yes, correct! Dalawa!
Sino lalaki?
Wrong.
English?
Kaya ang pink na lang sana ang hinahanap natin. Dito ko na rin. Sana na!
Kita ko lumagari kayo, Mika, Aya.
Lumagay. Lumagay.
What's
Lumagari daw. Gumala. Ala. What's lumagari daw? Yes, lumagari talaga kami. Yes, lumagari talaga kami.
Go mix.
Tulungan mo na ako. Oo, pang... Ano ko yung aso? Explain. Paano ba? Tagalog niyo pa. Masayang na yung makeup ko. Ay, gusto ko lang din. Even twice, are you naughty nice? And yung camera, ayan. To our bashers. Kung namin kasi, nag-renew pa kami. We're strong.
Joanna, Aya, Stacy, Mika.
Bini talaga kayo yung
Sisterhood. Sisterhood. Sisterhood.
How about you, Maloy? Guys, how about you?
Sisterhood.
May wish ka pa? Hindi naman.
This ko kay Ate Aya. My gift is my love. my careness.
Kanya is my presence. My presence is a present.
I feel like she has a lot of experience to work kasi she really knows how to talk well and introduce herself. Kasi if, like, during that time, if people, like, made me introduce myself, like, so suddenly, I would be like, hello, ganun. And then she was like, hi, I'm, hi, I'm, Mariah, Queen Arceda, ganun, kineme. And she knows how to speak well nga, like, she knows, like, how to introduce herself. Yeah, I like that. Like, it was a good impression. And then, very mahinhin ni Ate Aya. I think now, it's like, hindi na siya mahinhin. Parang minsan, mayroon times ako. Pero pag nagsasalita si Ate Aya, bigla siyang, Ganun siya magsalita, biglang pahina ng pahina. So parang kahit palapit ng palapit. Kung makita, kung nag-open forum kami dati, nag-open up. Lahat kami din naka-huddle. Palapit kami ng palapit pag siya na yung nagsasalita. Natatawa na lang kami. Ganon.